aeroplane with the 3 aeroplanes with my body. One aeroplane has flew to me, and it's called the white one. It's that has Daddy did. It's white, and there is some pilot windows that pilots drive that, and aeroplanes always can fly to, because aeroplanes always are flight. We hope we have our flights on. So there are 3 different kinds of it, but these are mixed food, and there is one left, and there is one more engine left to put inside. And there are also one more engine is over here. It's only a white engine. It has came from it, and it came from here. I can put this over here. I don't know where the white engine is. I don't know where the white plane is. Okay, start. Here is the plane. I've got it. Now the next plane, white one. Whee! Your airplane, white one. I've got it. The next aeroplane will be coming. I know. You'll be here shortly. Here's your plane. I'll hear airplane shortly. It turns twice, and the up one is me. Ah! Now my airplane. Woo! Ready, steady, go! When you do it at the same time, speed. Ooh! Red coffee. Here's the white aeroplane. Here, another one. Another aeroplane coming. Here! Hooray! Now the white